Step inside a world of extreme chemical engineering, where raw biological materials are transformed into essential daily. The process begins with the arrival of vast quantities of bones sourced from the global agricultural industry. Robotic systems manage the initial sorting and cleaning, ensuring that only high-purity calcium-rich materials enter the plant.
In the calcination phase, intense heat removes organic matter, leaving behind pure calcium phosphate for the toothpaste.
Experience the full industrial journey and hit the subscribe button now for more amazing high-tech factory. Massive rollers pulverize the material into an ultra-fine powder, which serves as the primary abrasive in toothpaste.
Microscopic sifting ensures that the final powder is smooth enough to clean teeth without damaging the enamel. In the mixing hall, liquid ingredients and thickeners are combined with the calcium powder to create.
Precision mixing under vacuum prevents air bubbles from forming, ensuring a dense and uniform texture for consumers.
Every batch undergoes rigorous viscosity testing to ensure the paste flows perfectly when squeezed from the tube.
Essential oils and sweeteners are added with surgical precision to give the toothpaste its signature refreshing taste.
Active ingredients like fluoride are carefully integrated to help prevent cavities and strengthen the user's tooth enamel.
High-speed automated tracks move thousands of tubes every minute toward the precision filling and sealing stations.
Specialized nozzles fill the tubes from the bottom up to eliminate any potential for trapped air pockets.
Heat sealing creates a permanent and hygienic bond, ensuring the product remains fresh until it is finally opened.
Traceability is built into the process as lasers etch unique codes on every tube for quality tracking. Robotics handle the delicate task of boxing and palletizing at speeds that far exceed any human capability.
Efficient logistics management ensures that the finished product reaches store shelves around the entire whole wide world.
The final result is a high-tech product that provides essential health benefits to billions of people daily.
From bone to bottle, and this has been the incredible process of modern toothpaste manufacturing you have seen.
Science plays a critical role in refining these particles to ensure they are effective yet perfectly gentle. Silos holding hundreds of tons of raw materials are monitored to prevent clumping and maintain industrial flow.
Only ultra-pure water is used in the formulation to guarantee the safety and the long-term stability.
Constant pH monitoring ensures that the toothpaste remains neutral and safe for the delicate mouth environment always.
Hygiene protocols are extremely strict, with every vat undergoing deep cleaning and sterilization between every production run. Automated sorting systems manage thousands of caps per minute, ensuring the assembly line never stops moving forward.
Data-driven innovation helps the factory develop new formulas that address the most common dental health issues.
Specialized injection techniques create the iconic stripes seen in many popular modern toothpaste brands around the world.
Freshness is prioritized as the completed products are shipped within hours of their final quality control check. Education and safety training are mandatory, ensuring that the skilled workforce operates the machinery with total precision.
Engineering software is used to design tubes that are easy to squeeze and prevent any product waste.
Remote monitoring allows for real-time adjustments, ensuring the factory maintains its target output of million units daily.
Sourcing the highest quality natural flavors is essential for maintaining the premium quality of the finished product.
A powerful central data center is the brain of the factory, managing every single production variable simultaneously.
Precise measurement is mandatory to comply with international regulations and ensure that every customer receives the correct.
Regular maintenance of the industrial filtration systems is vital for preventing any contamination of the fine powder.
The facility promotes a circular economy by recycling industrial waste and minimizing the overall environmental footprint today. Precision measurement is essential during the development of new packaging to ensure it meets all technical requirements.
Solar energy provides a significant portion of the electricity required for the factory's 24-hour industrial operations.
Providing healthy food options for employees is part of the facility's commitment to social and corporate responsibility.
High-speed centrifuges are vital for achieving the level of purity required for the pharmaceutical-grade calcium materials. Inventory management software allows the factory to coordinate deliveries and ensure a constant supply of raw materials.
Building internal expertise in robotics is essential for maintaining the facility's position as a global technology leader.
Precision chemical analysis ensures that every batch of ingredients meets the highest standards for the modern industry. High-end products receive a manual touch that reflects the artisanal quality of the factory's most exclusive lines.
Efficient dispatch operations ensure that finished goods reach the international global markets without any significant logistics delays.
Ethical sourcing of natural ingredients is a key pillar of the factory's commitment to global environmental sustainability.
Regular replacement of wear parts ensures that the high-speed lines continue to produce the highest quality product.
Proper lubrication is vital for the smooth and reliable operation of the factory's extensive and complex robotics. Rigorous final testing is the backbone of the factory's commitment to safety and high product quality standards. The massive solar array is a testament to the factory's commitment to clean and renewable industrial energy. Innovation in chemistry allows the factory to reduce its reliance on traditional and potentially harmful industrial chemicals. Every component of the final product must be organized and ready to maintain the high-speed assembly.
The visual and tactile qualities of the finished paste are the true markers of a premium product.
The standardized lighting is critical for accurate color evaluation across the various stages of the manufacturing process here.
This modern facility stands as a beacon of industrial innovation in the heart of the manufacturing world.
Successful shipments are the result of months of hard work and a commitment to absolute industrial excellence. As the day ends, the facility continues to bridge the gap between biological resources and modern science.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen before. Precise temperature monitoring prevents the mineral structure from becoming unstable during the critical transition to a powder.
Creating the iconic stripes requires a separate formulation of colored gels that are perfectly matched in density. Augmented reality technology assists technicians in identifying mechanical wear and tear before it can cause a failure. Shrink wrapping provides an extra layer of protection, ensuring that the product remains secure during the shipping process.
Mass spectrometry provides a detailed molecular profile of every flavor component to ensure absolute purity and consistency.
Sustainable water management is a key feature of the factory's commitment to protecting the local ecological environment.
Advanced sensors monitor the entire facility's pneumatic systems to prevent any loss of pressure during filling operations.
Global marketing efforts ensure that the benefits of high-quality oral care are understood by consumers everywhere today.
Regular environmental monitoring is mandatory for maintaining the facility's high standards of hygiene and clinical food safety.
Automated storage systems maximize space and speed, ensuring that the production line never faces a logistics bottleneck. Investing in employee wellness is a core value that helps the factory maintain its high level of.
The factory's commitment to effective oral care is having a measurable positive impact on the community's health.
Access to the core research and development areas is strictly controlled to protect the facility's proprietary technologies. The factory is part of a larger network of industries that provide essential materials for modern life.
Precision chemical analysis ensures that every batch of ingredients meets the highest standards for the modern industry.
Even in a high-tech world, there is still room for human craftsmanship and attention to the details. As the day ends, the facility continues to set the standard for high-tech industrial-scale mineral processing.
Managing cryogenic gases is a complex task that requires strict safety protocols and constant monitoring by specialists. Precision laser technology provides permanent traceability for every product that leaves the specialized factory floor today.
Eco-friendly packaging is a major goal for the future as the factory works to reduce its waste.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen before.
The city's architectural landscape is a product of its history and its constant drive for modern innovation.
Balancing preservation and progress is a major challenge for the architects who are shaping the city's future.
The Broadway district offers a glimpse into the city's rich architectural past amidst the modern steel towers.
Air rights allow for more creative density in a city where space is at a premium today.
Advanced sensors provide real-time data on structural integrity, ensuring the safety of these massive urban towers.
The relationship between the ocean and the mountains is a defining element of the city's unique geography.
Protecting the city's natural resources is as important as building its iconic and confusing urban skyline.
Community and growth are the true stories of the city's many diverse and vibrant urban neighborhoods. The Sunset Strip is a legendary part of the city's visual identity, known for its vibrant energy. Los Angeles is a city that is constantly reinventing itself, and its skyline is the best evidence.
The state remains the backbone of the global agricultural supply chain, providing food security for billions worldwide.
The electric vehicle revolution is being built right here, creating thousands of high-paying and stable manufacturing jobs. Fintech innovation is a major driver of the state's economic power, modernizing how the world uses money.
The logistics of the green transition are being mastered here, providing a blueprint for the entire nation.
The state's commitment to science and exploration inspires the next generation of thinkers and galactic dreamers.
Precision chemical analysis ensures that every batch of fertilizer meets the highest standards for modern farming.
Traditional finishing methods are used to enhance the durable and luxurious properties of the final products.
Efficient dispatch operations ensure that finished goods reach the international global markets without any significant logistics. Join us next time as we continue to explore the incredible rise of the new industrial power.
This has been an inside look at the incredible modern process you have never, ever seen before.